Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our KKTICK Tank T6. This is the second video review for the Tank T6 smartwatch. On this video, we are going to explore the offered menus and features. So we'll check the menus or the features loaded to our Tank T6. So if you are interested to know more about this wearable, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the menus and features of our KKTICK Tank T6. So we have here our smartwatch. Before we proceed to the UI and its menus, let's check out first the design. On our previous video, I check out the screen display here and I was impressed. I'm very impressed with the compass feature here on the watch face, as you can see. So for the UI, let's proceed with the smartwatch here. We have the settings and options on top. On the bottom part, we have notifications. We have here the modules. And on this side, we have the dedicated sports button. To access the main menu, just press the power button here. So here are the loaded features in our KKTICK Tank T6. We have the sports here. We have sports history. This active here is the daily activity tracking, monitoring the steps, the distance, and calories. What else do we have here? We have the average steps, average distance, and we have some graph. Activity record. We also have here contacts for the Bluetooth call. We have a heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring. We also have it here. We have a message notifications, dial pad for the Bluetooth call. We have a weather report. We also have here blood oxygen monitoring, sports courses. You can follow this to do your sports activity. We also have an offline map. We have altitude and barometer. We also have a built-in compass. Offline music. Remember, we have a storage space. So you have an option here to use the Bluetooth music control or the local music storage, and of course the TWS earphone. We also have here pressure detection, breathing exercises, calendar, mobile voice assistant. I think this is the AI. We also have here calculator, photo gallery. You can store pictures here as well as video. We also have here a video player, recorder. It has a built-in mic. You can store your voice here. You can record your voice. You also have here the game market. For ladies, we also have here period tracking. And the tools included are alarm clock, stopwatch, timer, flashlight. We also have here decibel, find device, We also have here a live camera. You can use the camera on your phone, okay, but you can check out the video directly here, a live preview of the camera directly here on the smartwatch. We also have here world time and the settings. For the settings, you have the display option, clock style, idle clock. I guess this is the on display. So we have an always on display settings. You have the idle clock here, so you can check out the watch faces for the idle clock. We have screen off time, font size, you can also change it here, and the booth video and shutdown video. We also have here call reminder settings for the Bluetooth call. You can also change the ringtone, which is very good here. Okay, there's a lot of options for the smartwatch. Music mode, as I have said earlier, you have an option for the phone mode, the watch mode, and the Bluetooth headset. We also have the UI effect. You can also set the time by vibration strength, brightness, and other tools here. We also have here the screen lock password. As you can see here, the smartwatch is fully loaded with features. Unlike other smartwatches that it has only the basics, this one, it works like a smartphone already with its features. Especially for sports, we do have a lot of options. We have offline map, a built-in GPS, support for local storage music, and we have a compass also. Okay, beautiful looking smartwatch, premium looking smartwatch from KKTICK, the KKTICK Tank Day 6 smartwatch. So if you're looking for a sports smartwatch loaded with features but still affordable, I think this one is a very good pick. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.